dead, man. In real life, Popeyes, News Link, every one of them you can go search, man. And I have YouTube on your phone, man. I go dig up your internet, dog. You just go connect up, man, and stay so, dog.
Me really sick in my head to make you come back in my house. Come on, come sit down. Yeah, idiot.
Phone ready? Get the phone ready. Ready? Sit down.
Come make we ring the alarm. I Mr. Bring the alarm. Mr. Bring.
Maggie.
Say no more, man. You know the code already.
Fully.
Yeah, man, me up on my bed in work, you know, man. Me good now, man, cause you don't know a permanent work, you know.
Yeah, my phone ring it, my dog. Ops dealt with him. Yo, my dog. Yo. There, na killer. How you got?
That's everything deal gonna come girl link it up.
I mean, when I tell you, I send the dog go the apps, man. Everything dealt with, man. Fully covered on your hair.
Now a piece of food for get to, you know.
That is it, man. Yeah, man, ready for your cheese, man. Cabbage, you see me?
Code life.
Mm-hmm. God believe, man. I saw you deal with it, boy, man.
Say I deal with my dog.
Alright, code.
One shot, let me know, man.
What you mean, man? Believe no, man. Everything active, man.
Fully, man, on. Yes, if your boy they deal with the thing.
Then no must, man. You have to deal with the dog, cause you know, say anything you have some day that flat, you know.
60 grand me give dog, you know. So I say, you sure say dog drop.
I mean, man, you'll dep on Popeyes and them thing them make you laugh. In a real life, dog. Yo, sometimes people dead me if you laugh, dog, in a real life. In a real life, killer.
True, man. Just want to hope say dog drop, you know.
In dead, man, in a real life, Popeyes, news link, every one of them you can go search, man. And you have YouTube on your phone, man. Now dig up your internet, dog, you just go connect up, man, and stay so, dog.
I have to make a move now, so no say I heard.
Yo, my dog.
That
That is it, no, man.
code life, is it?
Believe, no, man. Active, man.
Can't believe this a girl. I wish she call me for now. Yeah, girl, what happened? Where I deal with? I want my friend them me I go check out an April. Where you going with? What happened? What you say? A lie. So police lock up the two of them? Me rotted wall. You see how we dey warn the youth there? You see how we are warn him although me and the youth and not me rate him as my son, my girl. You know said me warn the youth and tell him so fi top wheelie the bike. Me rotted George. So hold on. The two bike man them in the hospital. And police lock up the driver. How much driver then lock up? One. Oh, the one the vehicle must not insure. Okay. Okay, so one gone on. So then take his statement and everything. Okay, alright. So I wonder if his parents know about it and something. Then you can not hear man. Bike make fi stay up and ground what it doing I hear. Them a go like a plane them a fly. Now he in a hospital, hand broke, foot broke, big sitting there round neck you say. Me check him one night time still cause I want good youth, you understand? So take care then. Make sure you make your family them know say in hospital here. Yeah man, make sure say in family them know everything and if you can carry some food and things good on they go give. Me hear where you say girls say them put the something around in neck. Oh God, in 2 and in 2 foot. Young you that not reach nowhere in a life yet, you know. But they need to calm down when them a ride the bike man. Be careful. You could have lose in life, you know. Anyway, as me tell you, me I go up the road go start out sitting. So look come here. Alright, later. Boy, rough. I'm tired. Jesus, peace. Jesus. Welcome on. Huh? Welcome on. Oh God, what to you? Welcome on. Jesus Christ. Welcome on, what to you?
That shocked me.
Oh God. Me sure last night so when me in the house me hear some gunshot about you know. So I did you? Jesus Christ, boy, you're strong. You're lucky say you don't get unalive. Lord God, I could have who do that. A wickedness, me I go help you, no worry yourself, man. You see if you did for dead, you're dead already. But guess what? God have purpose. Jesus Christ. God have purpose for your life. You're not for dead. I don't say you're for dead. Get up. Try and ease up a little bit. Ease up. Me can't even manage you. Kind of ease up a little bit. Alright. Oh, God. Wait. Oh, God. Mind not hurt yourself. Me can't manage you. Set your foot good. Alright, come. I'm hold on and see if I can get up a little bit. Ah, sorry, Jesus Christ. Sorry. Wait. Oh God. Oh. Alright, set your foot good. Yeah. Alright. Get up now. Get up. Try and get up. Ease up a little bit. Please, may I beg you. Father God, give him a little strength for me, my king can get up, please. Sorry. Alright. Let me try it on the next side. Alright, since as me I hurt you. Alright. Ease up a little bit. Oh God. Alright, come. Put over your foot. Oh, come on. Oh God, me have to carry you to the hospital. No man. Oh, no Jesus. Me can't believe this. Oh God, Wakaman. You want good Wakaman, you know? Everybody know you. You go get help. Don't worry yourself. Just go alright, here? Yeah, okay, your doctor to get some medication and something. Oh God, I'm sorry for you. Oh God. Oh God.
Hello, mommy. What happened? They hear you know, say, they want to talk to you. Yeah, cause some little things are going on in my life and I need to talk to you about it. Cause some friend I have, I don't know how I put my trust in them too much till they betray me. Hold on, mommy, I got to tell me. Hold on, I got to explain everything to you. All auntie she. What do you mean by which auntie? Now your sister me they talk. Alright, so let me tell her what happened now. Cause I don't have nobody to talk to, so I have to tell her everything. I never really want to break out everything to you just like that. But I have to go just talk. Mommy, one little gardener come here to chop the yard. Auntie she feel like say me and the man in a business. Auntie war me over the man. Me and auntie have big war around there. Anyways, differently from that day, my boyfriend him now pregnant my best friend. Yes, mommy. Calm down now, calm down. It is what it is, but here we go on now. Right now, I'm pregnant too. Yes, mommy, so right now you're going to expect one granddaughter or one grandson. Yeah, mom, but what am I supposed to do about that? Friend betray me, auntie betray me, everybody betray me. I don't have nobody to talk to, so I have to call you and talk to you. Me can't do nothing about it. The greatest thing, I am pregnant and you have one grandson or one granddaughter they come and me cannot help the situation which my boyfriend get my best friend pregnant. Yeah, mommy, me know say. Remember say me a big woman, you know, so yeah, time hard, but me have to take it easy and I like say.
Oh, Miss Grace, thank you, yeah. God bless you, Miss Grace.
Yeah man, no problem. Me know say you thank me, but you no problem. God is God, and you see, let me tell you something. You see you now, you're a good man, you know. A long time I know you, you know.
I true, man.
Me say me hear the shot them last night and me couldn't believe say I really somebody when me know so close me, you know. Come and say cut me hard all the time, you know, man.
Miss Grace, me not do nobody nothing, believe me, I tell you, yo, me not do nobody nothing, Miss Grace.
Sometimes you're there at the wrong place at the wrong time.
Only if a wrong somebody take me for.
Maybe because people favor people, so you have to be careful on the road. Watch ya. Watch ya now. Me not rate them style the way them are going in over the clinic, you know. Me can't believe so they couldn't put this something with your hand for going at the strap.
No, then say done, man. Me my lady I say finish, man.
So a lucky thing me carry this. A lucky thing me carry the marina here, but you can't take it. It's okay. It's okay, man. Don't worry yourself. Come on. But thank God say, God send me to come see you, you know. At least.
I just graze and say the shot graze me, thank God.
At least you're not dead. Thank God you're alive. Me I tell you say your purpose, you know.
But me I say, shot can graze and the bleed so hard,
You
man.
mean, man?
Come
on.
When me lie down there, you know, me I say, yo, no, say come like I eat this and Miss Grace.
Oh God, man. But me glad say me did a pass by if you can't help you.
Right now, me for go all I work on them thing there, you know. Me have to go check my boss now.
You know no fear for pay. You know no pay. No, you know no fear.
No, I don't get no pay yet. I know someone go check you now.
Oh, come here. One day if you have fear, if you can pay your fear and go up on it. Anyway, you can't take this in $100 me have, you know. So me know you feel no way, you know. Me know you're a man, we have your money and you work hard, you know.
Yeah, man.
So just take, you know, if you give me back, just take it and pay your fear.
I get pay, man. Because I check my boss now.
Alright, so but you know if you give me back still, you know.
Yeah.
Alright, so take care of yourself here and the prescription we then give you. First thing you think about is medication, them you know, go at the pharmacy and fill out it and take them like how they tell you to take them. If before eating or after eating, you know what I mean, after your meal.
Yeah,
do it the same way.
I just, them start just a pain or something, man.
You know, matter some gunshot, poison, and it can give inflammation or infection or whatever. The doctor tell us, follow instruction.
No, take them, man.
Yeah, man. So, alright, you hear?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so.
I don't have some take that.
Alright, so go on, me I go that way there, because somewhere me did go in me see, you know.
Yeah, alright.
Alright, so take care. Alright,
Thank you very much.
Yeah, man, no problem. Later.
Yeah,
alright. Yes.
Mummy, the cussy man know I say the man is a dirty man. Mummy, when me go do about that? Eh? When me go do about that? Lefty man. So mummy, everybody I tell me say me feel left. And me know the reason why me I stick around. Mummy, where they say? Where really they say? Auntie black and blue me eye, and right now they want me to dash my belly and me not dash away. Mommy, right now this whole situation just complicated. But me handle it well. Well, that for auntie business. Anything auntie want to tell us that for her business, I'm not care about she, cause if she can't fight her niece over man and go on with herself, that for her business. What? Auntie call you and tell you say me a feisty with her. So why auntie not tell her why me a feisty with her? Mommy, nothing like that. Auntie fi stop tell lie pa me. She fi stop tell lie pa me. Cause me not walk around and tell no lie pa nobody at all. What? Auntie tell you say me lock up in a house with man. I give my man bun. But mommy, so none of this no new to you then. So what kind of some of this auntie I put for me? You know what I said? Mommy, listen. Don't send me nothing at all for her. Cause me nah collect nothing, make she go do it herself. What you mean by me auntie nah live good, mommy? So, okay. So you pick up fear now. Oh, so you pick a side. Mommy, you know, say from a little, you never listen to me yet. I'm not, you see, right now, I'm sorry so I call you. Mommy, from this long time, from a little, I always a try for you love me and it come like it now work. I know me big now, you still can't love me. Mommy, I don't really want to hang up, you know. Mommy, I know what. Mommy, you hang up. Please, me I beg you, you hang up. Me not hang up for you. Mommy, mommy, you love me, mommy. Just do your hanging up what you want to do, mommy. Just hang up for me if it's true.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Why you look so happy?
Say now, I'm be happy in our life. Eh? Yes.
Would I call fear head I go?
Basti! General! Oh, go on! Yeah, boss.
How that? Catch him. Walmart.
Yeah, the general.
How am I doing?
Boy, one thing happened to me in the night, general. I tell you, say you could have gone in my general.
How am I?
Oh, no. Brother, general. Mommy, what go on? Hey, look at most of the say me drop out in the youth.
Eh?
Yo, me sit down round Auntie Mary right in front of her shop there. And a man, one Rasta man, brother. My mark in face, brother. And me see him, me know him. The man take out a gun, brother, me attack on my phone, brother. I shoot after me youth and one grace me say, the doctor them say, lucky, brother. No gone in night, you know.
Then Walmart, are you this, sir?
I'm me this, I'm a general, man, youth. I know so you're glad to see me, brother.
You know, I'm not doing my friend, them, you know.
Yo, hey, mommy,
yeah.
I tell you, say, look at the man. It's not a good experience, me I tell you, man. You could have, say, never hear about it, miss. You never hear about it?
Never hear about it. First news to me.
And people in the community, I tell me, say, about a gunshot, I must about 40 gunshot man fire after me, brother.
I don't hear one. Yeah, go and chat to moms. We soon come.
I say, yo, mommy, I tell you, say, look at now. You could have hear say, yo, they mash me up, man.
What?
I bleed out. You know, Miss Grace from around us, so. And she carry me go down a doctor, you know.
Yo, shot them. What you tell me say, the man dead? So, what you try to tell me say? I man dopey this brother come on me all so fast he rise. Bad man, you gonna want back my money, you know. To tell you the truth, me gonna want back my money. How you mean me not get it back?
So
Yeah,
me
man.
coulda hear so they mash up my big dancer.
Me-
Oh God, man, you know say me hear the shot them, you know. When me there in the house, me hear shot and me I say, what that?
You shot them?
Yeah, me hear the shot them, man.
So boss, you hear them?
Me no know, one of my girlfriend call me and I ask me say if me no hear shot them, I tell her say yes, but true because you know like nobody dead. You understand? Me just me no say nothing at all. But me
Yo,
not
man.
even there see you or nothing at all. Me I say, how you stop come here?
Kind of man. Now tell us, look. You see when the boy rise up in matic after me, man, I'm go so and run off. Eh? And the boy goes so bop, 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 bop. A good thing, so I stay so book in the dark and I run. And my hand them, I run past you, you know. My hand them like a dog, you know.
Seriously, so
Yeah.
what? Let me see it. Let me
But
see
me
it.
not even know, say, me get shot. I sit in the hot now, me feel I run so. I say, what is that?
You think 110,000 money, boy? Me give you 50,000 today. And me give that the man there 60,000 in a night. So how the man not dead? The man come on me yard. Right now, man round there. Man round there right now chat to no man. So I say, I spirit that. Bad man don't have to do nothing professional or official or anything when you want to call in a bad man. You can't go around and take people money as a hitman and not do nothing official bad man.
I'm go so. My such. You see it?
Let me see it. Me sorry if you hear that, man.
Yeah, man. But yo, somebody tell me I'm not free report it because I'm going to report it, boy, they come for me.
But what you mean by you know for report it?
Yeah, somebody tell me I'm not free bother report it.
And you don't know who, you know
I see him face, man. I know the boy, man.
Jeez.
And I see him now, I know say him that.
So you could have lose a life.
Me I tell you, say,
So what you do if you get this now?
I don't know, I question myself I walk come up and I say, I don't do nobody nothing. What do people youth?
You sure say not trouble nobody in a thief, not me, you know?
Thief?
No, me no mean as in like you trouble something for somebody or
I don't do nobody, believe me, I don't do nobody nothing, man. I don't do nobody nothing, man. I don't do nobody nothing. Remember, say me tell you, as me there right, that's all looking at the sky, man. Remember, me tell you, not touch nobody things, man. I tell you the truth, man, I'm not a thief. But you know what?
well,
Me I say, I look at things, me I can ask boss if I can. Today, say me get antibiotics. You know? And some pain tablet and them things, you know, because kind of pain more a little way. You know, really bad, you know.
well, me glad Fissy say are the greatest thing I have in life. So well you can check him man and see if he can deal with a good today, understand?
Boy, me I tell you, say, me say, yo, me say, me like flash in front of me, you know, man. Me never know some of them things they feel, you know. But me I say, yo, where this a Rasta man that come from a fire shot at them? You see, me holy man, me cut, all me cutlass in idea, youth. Sorry about that, man.
Listen, calm down because you cannot go to a man with gun with cutlass. You understand? Cutlass cannot help you. When him fire the shot and fire again, you gonna use the cutlass.
Eh? Now what if me they have me cutlass, you know? Remember me tell you, you know? If me, I too well talk to you, but yo, why am I telling you what?
Just take it easy. You have life and you have to just watch yourself, you know, watch your back. You understand?
I walk up, I say, yo, I feel you see it, cause I don't know what going on. What do people you? Oh, you know, say. Oh, you know, say. You see, Bridget them used to work for, eh? The Duke, remember I said the Duke work before I come and say, you know? You see that Bridget there? You know, say, one man I'm in some argument, my friend. Right now, me hear about it. The man in argument and the man tell him, say, yo, man, threaten him, you know. Say, hold on over your side, you know. Because, yo, you take him man money, you know, and I do him man work, you know, between me and you, you know. And the man did see me in the street one night time, you know. See? And I say, yo, I'm to your boss, I'm to your boss. And I tell him, say, yo, I'm going to hurt this again, and he come like you man not believe me. Say, yo, I want to say, I'm supposed to all that, you know. What do you think? I can, this where it come from.
It sound like that because if the man tell us, say, hold on over yourself, forget it.
No, he never tell me, you know.
Tell him man. Okay.
The boss said me to working.
Okay.
Say,
Okay.
hold on over there so I forget
And
it.
you just hear about it. You just hear about it.
No, the man see me in the street and me I come for work yes one time. And I say, warm to my boss, man. So me go check my boss now. And I say, yo, that the man that come to me. I'd suck on my boss, tell me say, man, check the whole of them. I say, hold on over here, so you come like all me night too. So you come like a me I first one with them attack now. You understand?
Well, you better report it.
But if me report it now, better me just chop up in the cutlass in the youth. If me report it now, watch out now, me report it now. You know, although I know him, boy, better me just see him in the street and slap him up in the cutlass youth.
Oh, Jesus.
I'm telling you.
You put yourself in a problem there, so because
But me I tell you, say,
some have me tell
look
you,
here.
you never report it, and now you slap him up with a machete or a gully, chop him up. So what you know where the cost for yourself? If you don't report what happened to you, you go chop up the man. Alright, what if I know him do it?
I mean, what if I know him?
What if I know all him?
Man, ugly Rasta man. Let me see him now, me can't. Hold on. You know, I'm still a Rasta man already. I think I see him already, you know. But if I see him now, I know him. I can't help me still. I just see money me forward for you know, because boy, I tell you. Anyway, the boss said it.
Him say him no go around the time soon come.
So you want to go? I'm not going to go and just go check him in. Say
Alright.
though.
Yeah man, me alright man.
Make sure say alright, you know.
Yeah man, me just stay out easy, you know.
You see, I kind of done one way, but I soon, you know.
Alright.
This one I'm use the yard, so I have to just go and I come and work still, man, because this one I can't use, you know.
Alright, take your
Yeah.
time man. Yeah, just
glad
focus
for
for your
alright.
yeah man, just focus for your health, alright?
Yeah, man. Thank you, yeah.
Alright, you're welcome. Boy, we as good people can go through some things in our life.
Boss, so how you deal with it?
There, man.
Stop stress out yourself, man. Me alright, man. No, sir. You don't love when them things happen to me, my general. Me alright. Stop stress out yourself, brother. Life I great is there. This go on, watch out. But me still there. Me know say it's stress, brother. But relax, man. Me alright, man.
No, you one of my best worker them in a Walmart.
No, bossy, man. Me know, man.
Good.
But you can't look at them, man. Me I tell the lady a while ago, say, me, hey, you say me spotty boy you come, man. And me have one machete for me.
No mind that it's spotty, man. Chop him up.
But me not tell you say that to go on, because anyway me work him in a bossy. What you say? You can't help me too. You don't know links, bossy.
Yo. Me not remember said me not deal with them thing there no bad man. See you don't know that 30 man. But yeah. Anyway you see boy, you just call me.
What you mean, man? What you mean? Yo, look at him. Let me tell you, you see, if I see him now, I can't make him out.
Just call me, man.
Look at him, man. Stop worry yourself, man. See like how you help me now? Eh?
Yeah.
Like how you help me now? Ball game I go start now. Because I tell you, say, slap me up with the machete out. Anyway, I spot him, I make sure I call you, my general. Because you see, them go like for them up for them dogs, you know. Then you know, say, me have my dog, them too. So anyway, I buck him, I can tell him my boss. And guess what, I come and work, see how you can do my work. Because that not going to stop me. I tell you that, I use this and I do my work, brother.
Bro, you can't come and work, bro. You're sick, bro.
No, I'm not sick, I'm injured.
Yeah, bro. Correction. How you have to come and work, bro? No matter stress yourself, man. No come back, no mind and no come back to.
Boss, you have the mind what?
No mind and come back, brother. Cause you get me confused at first, bro.
So, but watch out now. You're forward, man. I tell you, stop worry yourself, man. Because watch out now. Long before you boy then shot me, I say worry yourself. Now this has stress you more. You know
Yeah,
what I'm here for
look
me,
there.
but because remember, say we are bridging. You understand? That's what this bridging is for. You understand me? I say, So watch out now. Now come and work. No grass can grow up for you. No debris can do your place there. Money and money. Even though it's more want a little thing now, because they one little thing where they say to buy the antibiotic and they say, I don't know how you stay. I don't pressure you still.
Must have to tell you the truth though. I'm not active. But I can swear coming back probably tomorrow or so. Not active today.
You know nothing more 5 minutes because I say I'm not active now. We need a card. Do them say medication buy, you know.
Yo, just buy it tomorrow, man. Just come give me a link.
Alright.
Really?
Talk over yourself, man. Everything good, you know.
Alright.
Talk over yourself. How me say to you?
Top for myself.
Talk over yourself. Me good, brother. I know so you feel it for me, youth.
Feel it, man. Feel it, bro.
You mean I see it, man. You say you feel it for me, youth. Talk over yourself, brother. You see you are a lady. You're not good people, youth.
True, man. We always good to people out there, man.
Yo, do your thing. I'll check your back, man.
Alright. Yeah, man. One boss and never two.
It's 11:59 and you left me on red. You got me going crazy. Is it something I says? I felt so lonely, too much room in my bed.
I wonder if they sell credit over the gas station, yeah. Right now, more want credit, you know.
I need you to tell me that you really want me.
Miss Grace, I see a hat. Why? You want hot door? Why?
How hot you they talk about?
I'm gonna get upside down.
Look here. Right now, I'm traumatized.
How would How up your face?
Blood.
How blood up your face?
You know, you're the gunshot them last night.
Miss, hear me hear them. I want go on. Be frightened.
You
But
know,
yes, nobody not dead. Nobody not dead though. Eh?
You know what me say? Me say if you don't know the Waka man, the man we grown and cut people yard, you don't know him.
Who you talk the man who ever have a dirty heart? Walmart. We are not Walmart here chat.
Him same one.
How I go on?
Him same one. You don't know say somebody fire shut off him last night and a roadside he sleep on. And he hand the bleed hard all you saw him like him a glazing, the doctor say a glazing still. And me help him and carry him go doctor and something.
That's nice. Yeah, it sound good.
He not start taking medication them yet because he ain't really have no money. So me did a talk to him and he said I go left and go see him boss and something. But I don't know what good on cause he not call me yet.
Right, that makes
a good man. And you know me notice with good people.
You always get hurt.
I take off my glasses. You know me notice with good people. The devil and he followers them. He crosses people them when you have with him this. The devil come like me not even know if he say. In all ways I put problem in a good people life. When I know sick
or dead.
Either they unalive or they want a job and can't get it. Some people have much subject and don't have a good job.
A good youth for you, man. Me study him.
Yo, me say
never work.
Look here. Me not cut you. Me tell you something. You know Waka man like that. Say my good youth. Me couldn't pass him. God would have seen me if me pass him. That them man we all cut a yard if you don't have no money. And come back when you have the money for give me. Nah rush you.
No fit stop you though. But what you do? No man, we have to really wonder. You have to do something because what make man that does.
You know what?
What you do?
You see negative side where you go think now say I must sit me in do. Let me tell you something. You don't have to do people nothing in a real life if people try to hurt you. Right now, it coming like I say, if God may send me this off, you go see him. Maybe that bleed out to that. I mean, not understand because the doctor say shot no go through. I just glaze, but I'm supposed to see him blood up. I know me traumatized me, they tell us I'm traumatized and you think I joke. But me just glad say God send me on time. You know, sorry, so me in the passing of the night to see him from before. He sleep on the roadside, you know.
So you really sleep, that's all?
Then when he doing can't help himself.
So nobody never see? You know some people wicked?
He bleed out, and they bleed out till he weak. They could have hardly manage him.
If you never tell me this, I wouldn't know it. Me I tell them I wouldn't know because nobody not tell me so nobody
tell you
get
the truth,
hurt.
girl.
Me hear so I just shot, but me never hear so
Me tell
nobody
you
get
something.
hurt.
See, in a real life,
People closer.
we people on earth have to be careful of one another. Because it come like I said, the more good you do to some people, not everybody, because everybody is not the same. You have real down to earth people on earth where love people from their heart. We not talk about them people there. Are some dirty jackass. We hate people for nothing at all. Although sometimes we say nothing, you know, but sometimes at the life where you live, you know. Because we might just say we not do them nothing. At the life where you live, people are work up to them best ability to achieve what they want in a real life. And you have some dirty junker out there. They don't want to work. They just want to see you go, they go make it and then them plan for it. Yo, a chain I know agree with me, you know. Them people you don't want to work, they just want to see you go, they go make it and then think say, or then feel or believe say, what you work hard for your sweat in the sun. And you work so hard in the night too when them asleep you work. Them feel say when you work and achieve in a like them fi just get it free. You know fear man.
Sound like a bad mind, man. Come on, probably they are bad mind you. Can't ever work, you know.
You know fear and that man they are hard working man for a long time. You know say you have a youth and a wife.
You have pitney and wife.
That's some here.
You hear?
Yes, that's
You know might not go so.
But him a human being and him a man and he a woman. Why he can't get youth?
Well, I never know that, you know, like you have nobody. Anyways, what you saying? Do go and check in, boss?
Yes, he can check him boss because he say he never get him pay and sickness. So, would mind him boss give him some money and make him go fill a prescription there, you know, because even though he doctor dressy, you know, and he and you say, you know,
get infected.
If he not get the medication, them, you know, man, that can get infected, you know.
No, man.
Yo, oh God, man, a good youth, you know, and nothing for doing. Anyway, they have a whole heap of things to do. See it there? Look like the cloud get kind of blurry or where you want to call it. It kind of dark. You know what I mean? Rain soon fall and me have to close them pan lines to take
you
up.
don't know say ever broke.
Oh.
Him boss broke, you know. So how he go get him money? Why I feel sorry for Walmart. But him boss broke.
The man who I work for ever broke?
How
you know that?
Yes. Stop loading up now.
No, how you know that?
Him broke, he can't mind nobody not even woman them.
You know sorry I hear so. Which one?
Here, so. We good, man. We talk later, man.
Anyway, I run go take up my clothes then I know. They on your fast mission.
I ain't still. So
Why so? Why you feel belly so puffy?
Me that with you know, you know, so you're too enough. You're too enough, man, Miss Gray. Anyways, you not look for mommy. You not look for mommy.
Just want to check your mother. Don't worry yourself.
Yeah,
You want that me one.
I wait. I show me I live good life. See how me have to suck in my gut like say. Start watching, man. Same you. You see you I get big too. One man.
Yeah.
I want me here so Walmart get shot.
Where's it? Yeah. That one. Walmart get shot for real.
Why, Jaja? Feel that way for him still. But anyways, you know somebody want to come over there come check for my best friend though. Even though I know say she hate me right now and thing, but it don't happen already. I know so she probably traumatized because you know him and Walmart. Yeah. So me want if me could have come.
No, remember some woman there so you can't just pull up so. Would have to ask her if that's okay. I'll link her and ask her if I can forward.
She probably don't right now about it, so me I go forward over there. So yeah. Later.
Alright. Yeah. B,
What happened?
Jessica just called me a while ago. I say, she hear say Walmart get shot. And she know you're down. But at the moment, she want forward over you, but me have to get your... Me have to get your opinion about that. Cause remember say, your mother tired, you know. So, as she just called me a while ago when we walk out the door.
Can't do what I do, man. You can't do what I do.
So, you sure you agree with that?
You can't do what I do. It don't really matter. I'm not tell us if you not life to come. I'm not tell us if you not life to stay. So whatever. She can't come if she want.
You sure?
Do nothing.
Alright, I'll call her back and tell her to forward. I thank you for that, B.
As me said, do nothing.
Alright, I'll call her and tell her to come here. Yeah. Yeah, Jessica.
Yeah?
Woman say you can't forward over you now. You agree with it, you hear?
Aye.
Sorry, you can't come here now.
It's 11:59 and you left me on red. Yeah. You got me going crazy. Is there something I says?
Hello? Anybody there?
Felt so lonely, too much room in my bed. Now you living rent free inside of my head.
Hi. You can come in?
Come man, no grudge. So girl, you didn't even ask me if I can sit down for me bed, just come in and look down.
You're your best friend, nothing wrong.
Get up now. Ask me. No, like literally get up and ask me if I can sit down.
Can I sit down? Thank you. Anyways. So, I can't move, so.
Nothing, you alright?
You still vex with me?
No, you're good, man. You're good.
We're all humans, you know, and we're all females. You have to understand. And to your man, you know, to indeed look nice and things. Matter we're all humans, you know, and we're female, you know. You don't think me guilty right now? I feel guilty, you know. I feel so guilty about what happened. But you have to understand and forgive me, or you know, and stop making me feel so down. We all make mistakes. So we're best friends, you know.
Best friend.
So but people that make mistake. Suppose that you in my situation. I would have forgive you, you know. You have to forgive me because everybody make mistakes and I'm a female. My man look good. I can't stop myself from like somebody. So you have to forgive me, you know, one day, you know. And you have
Okay.
But
I get
anyways.
your point, and your point get stuck with. Alright, yeah man. But anyways, I am not sad, you know. I am well okay. I am perfectly fine. Very, very, very happy right now. You understand? So you don't have to worry yourself. You get me?
Someone can't look for me, so it doesn't look like you hate me, so jeez. You hate me that bad?
If hate was a person,
you don't have to hate me because it was just a mistake, you know.
If hate was a person, I wouldn't want it to be you.
Wow. Wow, I guess I really friendship reach now.
Alright, put fun and joke aside. Who put the friendship here, so?
Well.
You see, you get stuck with the point.
No, but you know it's a mistake.
And you get left with the pie
People
too.
not make mistake, best friend. So just
Don't touch me. You would not touch me.
so right, so best friend. No, I'm not laughing, no, but I want to yeah.
Hey, you know, say you're too fast. You know, say you're too enough. You know, say after everything what you do me really sick in my head to make you come back in my house. Come on, come sit down. Yeah, idiot.
No.
You should break your foot.
Robbie.
You know,
You know plan for run?
Run,
Run, run.
Let me go.
What?
You come on.
Come on. Me.
Come on, go on. Move.
So you dey go on so far?
Come on.
After.
What's wrong? I said you're go. I'm panic. My brain now panic. Rubbish.
I know, so the boy really not no respect for me.
Him not no respect for me.
B. Up the door now. Babes. Say I go on so far. You go on like say no, you tell me if you call over a girl and then you want beat off a girl. And you tell me if you make a girl come over here now and then you want war off a girl. The girl they fall in phone you out.
Give me this.
So make you go on so.
Let me see how you and Nara conversate on this. Since as I say, it is stop right, so let me see how Nara conversate.
You know, me didn't know say this that go on, Mono, make she come over here.
What are the panny?
Give me a girl phone, go give girl in phone, man.
Yeah, go on, yes man. Go on, go give her the phone. Go on. Hush puppy, go on. Go on, go give her the phone, because I know she love her more than me.
You not say that one, look more.
I could have never me tell look more. Rubbish. Just tell her life, yeah. Be a chaos, be a mix up. What me do for you deserve this, Father God?
Me I come with the phone here. B, me I tell her, better stay far from that girl. Cause she not gonna forgive you.
I don't care about her forgiveness. Me never come down here for that. The only reason I come is because I know so she and one more close and I feel sorry and I probably should traumatize about that what happened to him. I say two of them close.
But as she make me call you over, you know, and then want war you off.
Disrespect you make me get over there.
No say that,
You
B.
say you rate me.
Me not rate you. Me love you.
You could never love me and make your woman I beat me over there.
Me not make her, you know, say me party.
And if me actually pregnant and so I even try if you hackle up my body and she a beat me.
No matter where you do, just stay away from her.
I got stay. And your woman need to go mad out. You know see how she look? Why she looks wait? Why she look so?
Boy.
She look scared. She a get skinny and she feel why she look and she look like she head cheap.
Right question,
No,
wrong person. B, me I can't go back over. Just stay far from her, please, cause me no want she hurt you.
Your woman want to go Bellevue, my youth. Wait, what you mean by hurt me? You mean you don't want she hurt herself? And not me if you worry about. And she can't hurt me. Even though she just do that while ago and you didn't even care.
Nobody not hurt nobody. As long as me did it. Still no need to fret now worry. Just know say me love you too, no. But me love you more. Yo, you go on, man. Do you know me love you, make you go on say no.
Where man?
I felt so lonely, too much room in my bed. Now you living rent free inside of my head. I need you to tell me that you really want me. All I see is 3 dots and now I'm getting hurry. Yeah. The last time I saw you, you left in a hurry. I'm drunk in love and I'm sipping on dirty. 11:59 and you left me on red.
Yeah, babes. Yeah, man, I almost catch a work, you know, man. Why not easy, you know, babe? So I can't want to come back here, yeah. That what go on? Alright, just go and stay upon my ends, man. You know, say you're always welcome, baby. I like that last night too, you know? I love that. Don't worry yourself, baby. Remember, so we have to go out to go look for food, you know? I soon come back, man. I'm going to check for your door if your door locked to same speed, yeah? Yeah. Brace for minds, man. You know, say, cha. Alright. Yeah. Bossy! All them party. Go back fast. I will be able to check on our door.
I need you to tell me that you really want me. All I see is three dots and now I'm getting worried. Yeah. The last time I saw you, you left in a hurry.
Hello? They are on the work, you know, man. You know, nah. Hello?
Yes, I can come.
Morning, morning.
How you doing?
How you doing, Miss Bossy?
Me there, you know.
Come in on the work, you know?
Oh, you...
Bossy's here?
No, you know, saying gone.
Oh.
But anyhow, why? I'm not going to tell us if you work in a condition, you know. Because it don't look good.
No, look here, let me tell you something. You see me, from me tell you something I can work, I can work. I'm not there on the sympathy thing, my friend.
Well?
Look here, miss. I work, I come for work. You understand what I say?
Well, it's
I'm
good
real,
to know.
man. I'm not fake, man.
It's good
Remember
to know.
saying, I two one me have, you know. So when one down at the moment, what, the next one can work. Watch it.
Well, you look good same way. You look alright same way. So tell me something. You can dance same way.
What do you mean?
Alright, I'm not going to tell us if you dance because you have no 100.
Sure. I least that man.
Anyways, then right after I have 2 questions for ask you.
Sit down?
Yeah.
Okay. Sorry about that, but you're dropping nice.
Hush, hush. It's soon better, man.
Have some pain, man, you know?
It's soon better.
Good still, you know?
I have 2 questions for ask you.
Yeah.
You ready?
Me ever ready, man.
Okay.
Ever ready like Freddy.
You know, say. I'm not going to blame you for this, you know.
For?
Listen, you know, listen, you know.
Me I listen, miss.
Question when it things that I'm going to ask you right now, or what say, what you going to tell me, I'm not going to blame you for it. You understand? But you don't know, say. You're my auntie in a business. Alright, let me break it down to you. You're my auntie there. Walmart.
I really that ask this.
Walmart. Me not laugh. You like me a laugh? Me ask you one question. You're my auntie there. You don't know farmer business.
Miss, you know some respect you. You're my boss. I love you, I respect you. But it's a phone business. I never get in a phone business yet. I'm not going to get in a phone business. So why would you want to ask me if you're auntie there?
Listen to me, don't listen. Me get mad. I don't want you to hear me mouth. May I ask you one simple question? If you are my auntie there in a business, it must be a reason why me I ask you the question here.
Alright, listen what I say. Your auntie is a nice lady, right? Your auntie is a very nice lady. Why you don't really want me to tell them something now? Why?
Listen, one night, my auntie fight me off you. As she, you hear me I say?
Hold on. Fight you off?
Yes, fight me off one night. For you.
Stick up in, what do you eye?
Well, listen now, I just me I get to because you relate to this right, that's the way I see. You relate to it. So, me I ask you the question here. So, I want you to be truthful. She fight me off for you, say me and you in a business. She say me and you in a business, me and lock up in a house. And me know in myself say, me and you not them. Me and you there. Eh? Me and you there.
Oh, me for them miss.
You ever sit down under me coochie? Me ever sleep with you?
Never miss. So,
okay.
How that come in argument?
So, me need to clear up some things. You understand? Because this thing is getting really serious. So, she fight me off for you. Look for my eye.
It's serious. But miss, I always have a respect for you. You have a respect for me. And I would never ever try to cross a certain line and put any form of... Not to want to say that. And you never do that yet with me. So how should I say that?
Listen, you come here.
No man, you're joking or this
Joke where? Joke where? Listen, you come here and you work, which is a good worker, and to how you work in the yard, you can say, alright, he's a nice guy, he's a hard-working guy, so me not look down upon you. Right. You can't look down upon a man who do hard-working. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
But would I like to know if you and her in a business, because I know you not answer the question. You only tell me say she's a nice person, and a two big people there are reason, so I know you can't answer me. Answer me.
Alright. As my boss, right? Now I go on and lie to you, right? The auntie like me, I'm like her. I'm not really like to have a family with her. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Oh, that one was close. But anyways, I need to ask you, this second question is a big question I'm gonna ask you. The last question I'm gonna ask you, it is very big. So, I just hope say you can answer me truthful. Where my auntie there? Where is my aunt? Because from this incident happened, I don't see her.
Miss Jolene, you don't say it's not an easy lady, Miss Jolene. Your auntie is a grown lady, you know. So anyway she want there right now, she no can't do that. She no can't stay there.
Walmart. Walmart.
No, I want to know what's all my thing I go on.
I am very serious as a judge right now. Where is my auntie? Because this thing need to fix.
Alright,
you need to fix this thing because me and you down there, never there. So me not understand what really a go on. And right now you're there, so and you talk to me like some little boy. I mean, I say he's a boy, you know, because he's a man. And I respect you and you respect me. But me I ask you one question. Stop lying to me, Walmart.
I ask you one question. I always respect you. Not true, Miss Judy.
Yes.
You see, my virgin, my boss, where is the partner, and from school days, man, I come, right? And here, say, your auntie accuse you of that. The respect I'm sure you are my boss in front of your auntie. She's supposed to know, say nothing like that. Me talk highly about you, you know? Round her, you know? Highly. And me talk highly about my boss, round her too. You understand? So she's supposed to know well and know, say. You understand? But you asked me a question a while ago, right? And I'm not going to go around the question. Right? So listen now. Between me and you, she's at my house right now. She never tell me say this is going. She never tell me say you and her fight over me. What? Look for me. I chop your heart in my friend. I never know say ladies can fight over me. No, but look here. My boss lady not supposed to even answer her auntie about that because my boss lady knows that she and me never in at nothing yet. I mean know say me and you never in at nothing yet. I would have never dream to do that or say that out of my mouth.
Walmart.
When you take care of me, I want a little water for drink. When you give me. Right? If my lunch, when I buy lunch, I say you give me lunch every day, drinks everything.
Walmart.
Yes.
Walmart. I wasn't fighting over you. I was fighting for the fact that she's telling a lot of lies on me. So don't get it twisted there that I'm fighting over you because I wasn't.
No.
You understand? And what I need you to do is to go and classify this thing out with her and let her know that me and you wasn't in any form of business. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And I apologize about that one, please, ma'am.
Well, thank you, but as what me say, me not blame you for nothing at all. You understand? Yeah. So, you alright though?
Yeah, man. I'm good, man. I just do want to see bossy still, you know?
Well, just go and do your work, bossy soon come.
Alright.
Yeah.
I'll call him now, because it's urgent, you know?
Okay, alright.
Yeah, bossy. Bossy, you not hear me? Yeah, man, I don't work, man, but I think say the day, and you know, so I see boy, see Rasta boy will shoot me. Yeah, man, I see him, man. You know the girl in Delia? I two of them there. Right down which part a breadfruit tree them down some man. I don't some realize I live, man. Yeah, man. Them I come and work, so I come see you. I tell you boss, because remember you tell me say, anyway, I see boy, I tell you, you know. So you say, nah, you rise up for your cutlass, man. Because I have for me, man. Alright. Well, say, go on. I not left work here now, boss. I there your foot, man. You so come. Alright. I go and put in some work till the fall, boss. Yeah, man. Boy, I must be peace that them want to shoot me and get to me and my boss can defend me out.
Yo, wake up, man. You see it? You want to go mash up, man, and you didn't even wash your head back.
Man, them in a governor by someone.
What you mean you govern? You for watch your head back, brother. That's why man them look almost mash you up one night.
Cover the way something there. So I feel in just saying, man.
Where you say see boy? Cause me know where you live, you know.
When I tell you, say, me see boy, don't spy heap of breadfruit tree, them I go down there, so. I'm on the girl we live down there, at them there. So I say, yo, I can tell you what I go on. Cause remember you tell me, say, anyway, me spotty boy, you know.
Yo, hold one of them, you see.
Yeah, give me my cut, that's the man.
Oh, I forgot to say, yo, told me hold one of them in the youth. Alright, you hear me I go do? Stay here some, yeah? Hold a beard and make 2 phone calls. Don't move.
Cause the boy they forget lick, you know.
Evelyn babes. Want me alright? Me out to say here. Yo, me just fit my boy there, you know. I tell him say, yo, he know where dog there, you know. He spotted him while ago, you know. Me know where he live, you know. Me know where he live. But he run over there, caught through in shot for my boy that Walmart. So he did a hideout. He come back now, me say he come back cause he dog tell me saying see him. He have 60,000 upon him. Me know he not spend off that so fast. He can't spend off that so fast. So right now, if I get rid of him, me give something more upon that. And see next boy name shot them. Him have 50. 50 him have. So if you can get rid of that, I would have next time. But try get off a Rasta first. Try get rid of Rasta first. And when I done with Rasta, we will give you next money. If you get rid of, shot them. Alright, do that. Don't miss you know. Cause remember say I missed your name, you know. I mean I like you hitman them. We love shot and miss, you know. Alright, just do what you have to do. Me soon link you back. Yo.
What's going on now?
Worry yourself, you know. Me have everything under control, you know. No man. I don't know cutlass badness. Where you want me grab up my shit and go chop up, man. A gunshot the dog them a deal with, man. We make 2 phone calls and reach out to 2 of my dog them and then say everything go. Just listen out to your ears. Yeah, man. You don't have to worry, man.
Yo!
You don't have to worry, bro.
That's a man for rating. Boss, that's a man for rating, youth.
Listen by now and look more.
Everything
here I go on.
Respect for that, man, you know.
No respect, man.
I buy one drinks and I come back, you know.
Alright, me run a back here, so.
Yeah, man. Watch out now. You see that little thing that you say for me? Go and hold on that. Don't pressure yourself. Yes, sir.
Alright, bro.
Take your time. Go.
Yeah.
Take your time. So far, yeah. Auntie! Sir! You have box things. You have box things. Sell one drinks now. You know, sir, I may get the shatter and I thought the road out, sir. Yeah, man.
What?
Yeah, I thought someone on Rasta man shot me, man.
What you like?
Yeah, serious thing. Give me one drinks now. What kind of drinks are they? Mom, no worry yourself about that. That's how dealt with, man. And them they have. A whole piece in that, man. Give me that one. Yeah. I don't go on, but everything good, man. Everything to sort out, man. You know?
What we done?
shut up my boss. We up there. Hey, look, come on, yeah.
Help! B! B! Stop now, B! Help! Somebody help me! B, me has something to tell you, please. B, me has something to tell you. B, you see, baby, in my belly, I hear a one. I know for one man.
Why was she?
So why you dey go on? So me tell you say inside.
You know, say at them a time and me come from work and you stood and answer on phone with friend. Before you share out my phone. I better say the phone not share out. No, Ram put me in a little girl. You know a hard man have work in a sonnet. You come like a mash up and mash up everything now, you know. No, Ram put me in a. I'm tell her that, you know. Yo, me no want to tell her Ram put me in a. Cause you know I'm serious and I'm handling light already, you know. Don't take this thing for no joke thing, you know. I'm telling that to no little girl. Go and share my phone.
So B, you know, it see me I go do.
Yo, go and share my phone, little girl. Go and share my phone. Hurry up. Go and share.
So B, you go, what you do? You go pop on my foot.
No, play. You know, so if you don't play with me, you don't know what I'm trying to do. Hey, I'm mash up here. Don't play with me, little girl.
B, why you go on so?
You know some man hungry there, lay on phone, girl. You know hard man work, girl. Don't ramp with me mash up you there, you know. Yo, boy, what deal with myself to deal with? You're there, hurry up too.
B, I hit me, I go deal with.
Hurry up. Yeah, I'm bright.
Even I go bother show him this. Sorry, see your father treat you so. Sorry, see your father treat you this way. I'm gonna deal with something for deal with. I'm just here try to spite of it. Me just here try to spite you with everything, despite everything. B!
I want to say to rescue me and carry me away. I'll
Somebody
let the waves wash over me. Listen for the voices of the tide.
Oh, God. Baby, funny where we are going.
Swiftly they pass by. With each new breath, new roads ahead, embracing every moment as my guide.